The completion date for Genesis Center has been tentatively set for February 1st. The structure, located in downtown Gary across the street from the Sheraton Hotel, is the proposed site for conventions, banquets, and sporting events to be held in Gary. Several Gary civic leaders met with John Davey of the Indiana Department of Tourism to discuss various promotional campaigns and determine the feasibility of their options. Their main consideration in ensuring full booking at the center will be to attract tourists to Gary.
That's it. Thank you to Tommy Davidson, Vanessa Manillo, Lara Dutta, the Warren brothers, Lara Fabian, Raven and Jared, and to Gary, Indiana, good night. Good night, Gary, Indiana.
A generally expressed hope among those present is that the projected increase of tourists will also increase the city's revenue.
The convention was a success, but the timing was bad for a downtown convention center. Gary was about to experience a nightmare. The one industry in this one industry town was now in big trouble.
30,000 jobs down the tubes in about a 5-year period. The steel industry just ran out of time and money to effectively compete with the forces in the steel market that had developed over the earlier years in the 70s and late 60s.
In the 1980s, the steel mill experienced a demise. And with that demise came the demise of Gary.
The revitalization of downtown Gary is not merely about cosmetic enhancements or economic development. It's about fostering a thriving hub that embodies the heart and soul of this city.
So we just made it inside of this huge abandoned convention center. Right now we're standing in what looks to be a banquet hall. This place was built in the early 1980s, and I think it went abandoned right around 15 years ago. Looks like a lot of people have been getting in. It's pretty tagged up and destroyed in here. Look at this chandelier. Holy cow.
I think this is real crystal.
It probably is.
Oh, you can feel it.
Ooh.
That might be glass. Look at how it broke right there. Oh.
It just broke while it was in your hand. I got that on video. Whoa. I love this carpet. That's so cool. Oh, I don't think that graffiti was on there before. So they must have just like wheeled out the basketball hoops when there was a game going. I'm sure that's how everyone does it. But it's just cool to see them sitting in a room like this. Yeah, I just found my old pictures from here, look. Was completely untouched. No graffiti on it.
There are some infrastructure needs that the arena needed. You know, if we're going back to 2008 when we stopped the last season, there were some serious infrastructure needs that were in place, which included a brand new HVAC unit. You know, there wasn't adequate heat or cooling at that time. That was a major issue. I remember one of the last games in 2008 where, there was no air conditioning and, it was difficult for players to play, But not only that, I think what's needed is the facility needs to be marketed, not just the team that's playing there, and market the entire facility. The Genesis Center has to be a pivotal part of an overall downtown redevelopment plan, with it as the primary focus.
I would like to see, you know, a lot of those things addressed, and I think if they're not, it certainly creates a very difficult situation to sustain activities.
There's a cop at the light. Is there right now? Yeah, there's no way he can see in here, but he is at that light. You guys can probably see his car. I've seen old pictures and videos from here, and it was so clean back in the day. And then I guess the city just stopped patching up the boards and stopped locking the doors, and everybody got inside, completely destroyed it. Even as of like 2 months ago, it was much cleaner. Heading up. Oh, look at that. They had little seats that they pushed in to save space. Huh. Could you imagine the roar of the stadium when a game is going on?
Yeah.
Now it's dead quiet. There's like a press box up there. We're gonna try and find a way up to it. Stairs going up. Certainly looks like it. Oh yeah.
Hey, that's awesome.
Server racks? Is this where they controlled the scoreboard from, you think?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, look, there's some sort of controls on the wall.
Watch your head.
Yeah, control room. Mezzanine. Light override, North Arena, South Arena. She found something.
Metal thing.
Ouch. Look at that. Definitely a better view than down there. Shout out Obsolete Voids. She's exploring with me today. Link in the description.
We're going on a whole road trip.
We are. This is the first spot. And now she has to get down this.
Dude, this thing is not stable. Like, oh my god.
It's a server rack. It's huge.
I know, and it's empty. Bruh.
Let me know if you need help.
I probably do.
You want me to go down first?
Yeah, that's probably smart.
I'm independent, it's fine.
Got it. So last time we were here, we went down to this room, and when we opened it, we smelled something so terrible, and it almost smelled like a dead dog or something.
Open the door!
Oh, I smell it.
What if there's a dead body in there?
I don't know.
Let's go look. Dude, I opened the door and I smelled it. Like, I'm guilty already.
Jeez.
Oh no. Oh fuck, it smells so bad. Oh fuck.
We never like explored the room after that because we didn't want to go in there because it smelled so bad. And now, outside of this entrance is a police box. Like one of those automated solar boxes with the cameras on them that the police put. So it's kind of creepy. Gets me thinking what the heck was in there. So we're gonna go check check it out now. I hope it doesn't smell again.
Was this it?
Yeah, this is it.
So they have a whole thing blocking it now.
Yeah.
Look at the ground.
Everything's cleared. That's really freaking creepy. Remember there was shit here?
Mm-hmm. It does not smell in here anymore.
Everything is cleared. There used to be a bunch of stuff here, so it seems like they might have...
Oh my god, it doesn't smell in here at all. Come on.
Everything is cleared.
Dude,
That's...
do you remember that smell?
That's suspicious that there's a clear walkway for like a stretcher or something all the way to that door. They moved the railings. They moved everything.
That smell was so bad. It did not smell like a dead animal. It smelled disgusting. Like, I can't even explain. Like, it does not smell in here at all.
Not cleared. Look at... Oh, that's fucked. That's wheel marks.
Oh my god.
There had to have been a crime scene. Because they cleared everything and they used something with wheels to push out. We just found a freezer. Ew.
Do you smell that?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I smell that. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh fuck, yeah.
No, that's so bad.
That's disgusting.
No, was it in there?
Yeah, probably. They probably dumped the body in that.
Oh my god, that smells so bad.
That's sick.
Oh my god.
Are you good?
The lure or the allure of the Genesis Center is been beneficial to the extent that you bring some of these small colleges in and some of these high schools that play in these little small gyms, and it really, if under most circumstances, would create an atmosphere that these athletes would feel like, you know, they really stepped up in terms of the arena and where they're performing.
The Genesis Center has to be a pivotal part of an overall downtown redevelopment plan, with it as the primary focus, because it, along with the Railcat Stadium, has the ability to draw more people to downtown than anything else could in the near future.